Well, here it is in its current state. Got a lot to do on it. I thought I'll just do a little video more for family and everything, and see what's going to happen to it over the next few months. Have a look. Oh dear, someone's had a bit of a bump. And if you can see further down the bumper, yeah, its paint is peeling off everywhere. The wheels actually have been kept pretty good, even though I'll try and find some Momo ones that I had on it. That's dents in the wing. Bit of rust starting to come through. What's going on here? Previous paint job that's not been very good. Let's get all the seals changed as well. Again, another bad paint job going on, which will all get rectified. Look at the state of that. Oh well. Bizarrely, they haven't actually done many miles in it, but I think what they have done is bounced it off stuff and taken it to Stevie Wonder to paint it and sort it out. And this one's all dented, paint cracked. Well, you can quite see that. There you go. Oh, beautiful. Same in here, look. I think all of this is going to have to be stripped down and redone. There's the paint. Why somebody would put a blue bumper on it, I don't know. Whoever's painted it couldn't even be bothered to mask it properly or take anything off to paint it. They just painted over all the rubber. Oh. There's a bit of telltale sign. It's blue bonnet as well. Somebody's had a little knock. Alright. Oh. Interesting door handle. Ashtray's missing, but I think I broke that years ago, so I'm not surprised that's missing. No handle on the glove box, I've ordered that. Whee! Can't say that might have been me knackering the wiring all those years ago, so that'll have to be redone. Actually, it runs really well still. Quite a surprise. There's only a couple of little faults I need to sort out, which is nothing much. But, one of them is the don't think it's supposed to sound like that, is it? No, it's not.